So I'm going to show you how escape tracker can help the AI programmer not to introduce any escape while fine-tuning to eliminate false codes. So here, my wizard shows directly all the packages that needs to be fine-tuned, sorted by the number of images catched during production. So let's take this example. Here, this package showed 23 false calls during production. I will go and fine-tune. Most of these defects are solder joints. If I look at this, yeah, this one is clearly okay. So let me try to adjust the setting, the solder joint setting. Here we can see that it fails because of the weighting angle. So I will increase the threshold to make it pass. And here, in one click, I can see the impact and I can see that most of my false calls disappear. In background here, my wizard and the escape tracker is testing all previous images. Now what we can see is that some images are now in escape. So we have reduced the number of false calls, but it seems that we introduced some escape. Let's have a look. Here you can see that this component was previously detected as a defect, but since I modified the joint setting, it is now detected as okay. So this is clearly an escape. So what I need to do in that case is to come back to a value, a threshold that will fit the good and no good code. Here I can see that I still have one, so I can go back and reduce again the threshold. So now here we are back and we have no escape. We can now publish the modification.